All right. So I'm just gonna give like a quick summary of what I did with this code. This is what I used to create boto3. I mean dynamo DB. So the first thing was I imported these models boto3 and boto core exceptions. Um, and then the next thing I did was I created the dynamo DB resources over here. And after that, I created the table name, which was users. Then under the table name, I created the schema, the attribute name, the key type, which is hash, the attribute definition, um, and it's a provision throughput when it comes to its read and write capacity units. And then you can actually change the size of the read and write capacity units. And then for reads, it's like getting uh, data, and then writes are like creating the data, like posts. Um, and then over here, I have it in a try and accept. So we're trying to test this code, which will create the table, creates a dynamic DB table, and then in the parameters you have the table name, the key schema, the attribute definitions, and the provisions throughput. And these are going to be requirements in order to create this table. So if you don't have any of these parameters or information, the function won't execute. And then for right here, thanks to this module, boto core, in the exceptions, I can make error handling aware. So I have an accept for no credential error. So if it doesn't work because uh, there's no AWS credentials for the account, it'll print AWS credentials were not provided. Um, and then if the table already exists, it'll also print right here the dynamo DB table already exists. So that's what I got in this code. Like again, you can kind of change it if you want, where you can change the read capacity. You might want more read capacity units. You might want more write capacity units, and you can change the table name. Um, don't know why I was signed out. back in. Get out of here real quick. Let me run this code. Let's see what happens. It's running. All right. So the DB table users was created successfully. Let's check. I'm in database. Go. And there you have it. Users. Let me just delete it. Confirm. Yep. So I ended up deleting that, and yeah, that's everything with that. Yep. So that's the code. I'll put it in the GitHub when I get a chance. Uh, thanks.